Good morning to everyone, friends. In my previous class, we have studied about rational and irrational number. As I told in my previous class, rational number is having two types. One is terminating and non-terminating. In terminating, we'll get the particular answer, but in non-terminating, we'll get the decimal digits again and again, repeating decimal digits. Here we will have a pattern of the number, but in irrational number, in the decimal pattern, we will not have any pattern of the number here, so it will become a irrational number. Some more examples I want to give you. In this rational number, suppose 5 by 2, it is nothing but 2.5. It will become a rational number because it is having a particular answer here. Suppose 17 divided by 5 is equal to 3.4. It is also having a particular answer, definite answer here, so it will also become a rational number. Then see this example, children. 8 divided by 15, the answer will be 0.5333. Here 3 is repeating again and again, so it will become a 3 pattern. A number of the 3 number pattern is here, so it will become a rational number. Here we will get the pattern of the number. Here we will not get the any pattern of the number. All digits will be different here. Look at these examples, children. 4142 135. After decimal points, we are not having any pattern of the numbers here, so it will become a irrational number. Here in rational number, root 4 means is equal to 2. It will also become a, because we are getting here particular answer 2, it will become, so that it will become a rational number. But here in square root of 2, we are having this answer. In this answer, we are not having any pattern of the number. Is it clear, children? So it is called a irrational number because it is not having any pattern. See this example also, 3.141592. Here number is not repeating again, any number is not repeating again and again, so it is not having any pattern of the number, so it will become a irrational number. Okay, is it clear, children? Okay, now I am going to tell you about another types of the types of numbers, that is natural number and the whole number. Natural number is nothing but it will start from 1 2 3 4 5 6. Whole number will start from 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Only the difference between natural number and the whole number is 0. Okay, it doesn't start from 0, it starts from 0. Okay, next, now we will have a final quick look on our revision. Totally 8 types of the numbers are there. Even numbers, first one is even number which can be divided by 2. Odd number which cannot be divided by 2. Prime number which is having a factors 1 and the number itself. Composite number except 1 and the number itself. It is having a 2 or more another factors, means it will call it called as a composite number. Rational number means we will get a particular answer or the pattern. Here we will find the pattern of the number, but in irrational number we will not get particular answer, as well as pattern of the number will also not be there. Okay, natural number means what I told now only, it will start from 1 and whole number is nothing but it will start from 0. Okay, now these are the 8 types of the numbers. In my next class I am going to discuss with you about 2 and 3 digit numbers and their places and their place values. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.